Dear children, this is a small example to create a new string with an argument string. String is an immutable type that we already studied. So how to change the immutability with another string is discussed in the example. So here is a program to jumble the given string by passing it into the function using a temporary string. Nothing but adding intermediate patterns within a string. A new string or inserting a new string into the existing string. So the main program starts from input, enter any string. Jumble is the function name. And while we are calling the function, if you are giving like hello India 1 2 3 go corona, hello India 1 2 3 go corona, that is the string we are passing into the function. And we are giving I in range length of str1, that means 0 to str length minus 1. So str of 1 is lower, then str2 will be the second string or a temporary string which is created with an empty string is having str2 plus str1 of 0 dot upper. So the conversion happens here. If the string character is lower case, it will be converted into uppercase. If it is uppercase, it will converted into smaller case. If it is a digit, the digit will be converted into a star, and if maybe any space, it will be converted into @ That is why it is given like else. The else is for what? Any other symbol. If the given character will be, if the getting character will be any other symbol. Here other symbol is nothing but a space. So that will be converted into @ So hello India 1 2 3 go corona. How the string will be jumbled? The uppercase converted into lowercase, the lowercase converted into uppercase, and each and every digit, how many digits I had given here? 1 2 3 will be converted into star, and the space will be converted into @ Just we are jumble, or we are giving a jumble the string for a given string. So the resultant will be hello @ India @ star 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 @ go @ corona. So my dear children, it is a very simple program how to change the string using another temporary string. I think you are all clear about how to use the string within a function. Thank you.